Most men don't fail because they lack motivation. They fail because when pressure hits, their judgment breaks. Stress, disrespect, ego, emotion. In those moments, reactions replace standards. Stoic Standards is a web app designed to train self-command, not inspire it. This is your command dashboard. It keeps your focus clear and your discipline measurable. Inside the Judgment Trainer, you face real-life pressure scenarios. Not theory, not quotes. Real moments that normally trigger reactions. You interpret what's happening before emotion takes over. Then you choose an action, without hindsight. After every choice, Stoic Standards shows the correct judgment. It exposes emotional distortion and replaces it with calm, deliberate action. Next, you train restraint, what you don't do. Impulses resisted, reactions avoided, control built through repetition. Your progress system tracks consistency and discipline, not feelings, evidence. Patterns are detected, weaknesses are revealed, improvement becomes measurable. If you're ready to stop reacting and start leading yourself, start building standards today. Stoic Standards. Start free today at stoicstandards.com.